Welcome to our reference room. This is the place where we keep all the best of the electronics and the best we can do in terms of sound reproduction. So today here we are presenting you the C1000S preamplifier from TAD Laboratories. This preamplifier is a surprise for us. Actually, it changed really a lot from his predecessor, which was the C2000. C2000, it was a preamplifier that we never really wanted to have here because didn't find good enough to stay in this place. It was perfect for the Micro 1 series together with the M1000, but not for the rest of the system. Here instead we have the C1000. The C1000, it was a kind of discovery. We really were surprised. Actually, it's a wonderful machine. It's work with everything you put together with it, and so it can really have transmit this emotion and the precision and really music as basically any other top preamplifier in the world. I mean, here we have, I said, the best of the systems. This entry is able to drive really any amplifier. It doesn't matter that it's TAD reference, the TAD evolution, or in this case, Audio Strumento series. It's just perfect. One of the reasons is because inside the circuit is controlling current, is not in voltage like most. So it is the problem with impedance interface is basically gone. The preamplifier is a true symmetric. Symmetric also in the building is the two channels. Actually, the right and left are completely symmetrical. Transformer and all the power supplies are dedicated to each channel, and each device is supplied by its own power supply. It has 6 inputs, 4 of them are balanced, 2 are unbalanced, and 4 outputs, 2 balanced and 2 unbalanced. This is to be able to connect eventually a double amplification or a subwoofer and be driven directly from the preamplifier itself. So here we go. Mechanically is a very solid and heavy. Even the feeds are decoupled. They have really a system of which make it moving. I mean, it's just decoupling from the ground. Mechanically, also the volume is mounted on a bearing, and it is allowed to have a very soft and nice touch and precise also. And said the construction is really very cared. I mean, we will see inside later on. We will open it so you can have a look how it is built. Here we are in our laboratory where we open the TAD-C1000, the C1000S, the preamplifier, and we can see how is it made inside. We can see that everything is just care with the Japanese spirit in the best of. So starting from the feet that are also decoupled from the ground, 3 feet for stability. These are basically just stabilizers, just to avoid when we push on one side that it touch on the furniture. So here we can see inside how it is made. We can see that everything is double, completely symmetrical. The 2 transformers, the 2 power supplies board in the center. This is a 2-layer. We can see on the front panel we have the logic that's completely separate from the audio. So the logic has its own transformer, which is in the lower level. The 2 layers that are the preamplifier itself, and in the lower board we can find the preamplifier and the input section. In the top board we can find instead the output. The amplifier, how it's built, is great. This is the connection behind. You can see lower board which has the input, all the input, and the real preamplification stage, which is one stage, and the output on the top. Now you just have to come over and listen to it. It's a really wonderful machine, and honestly, it's not even expensive compared to the competition for the performance it provides. So please have a look to it, because it's working with every kind of amplifier in the world. Is not TAD for TAD as it used to be in the past. So this is really a system that you can use anywhere you want, and with performance that are absolute. So thank you for following us. We will present you many other things. This is our last baby, and we are happy to share it with you. Follow us on YouTube and on our social networks. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye.